In the 19th century, women faced significant challenges and societal restrictions that limited their opportunities and autonomy. 1. Limited legal rights. Women had few legal rights and were often considered the property of their husbands or fathers. They had no right to vote and limited rights to own property or make legal decisions. 2. Restricted education. Educational opportunities for women were minimal compared to those available to men. Higher education, especially in fields like medicine or law, was almost entirely inaccessible to women. 3. Economic dependence. Women were largely economically dependent on men, whether their fathers or husbands. They had limited opportunities for employment outside of traditionally female roles such as domestic service or teaching. 4. Social expectations. Society expected women to fulfill domestic roles as wives and mothers, with little recognition of their potential beyond these roles. The idea of the separate spheres placed women in the private sphere of home and family, excluding them from public life and professional pursuits. 5. Health and reproductive issues. Lack of access to proper healthcare, particularly reproductive healthcare, posed significant risks to women's health. High rates of maternal mortality were common due to childbirth-related complications and lack of medical knowledge. 6. Activism and resistance. Despite these challenges, women began to organize and advocate for their rights. The 19th century saw the rise of women's movements focused on suffrage, the right to vote, educational reform, and improved working conditions.